our athletes will have to fend off the women of the Wowja tribe, who have a tendency to get a little playful.
I really have no idea what just happened.
And deal with the men, who enjoy some really unpleasant toughening up rituals.
This does not look fun.
All while trying to master the Wowja dugout canoe to take on the locals in a grueling endurance race.
Hey, that was a smooth landing.
They don't get many visitors here,
Oh my God.
so pretty much the entire Wowja tribe has turned out to meet their new guests. With the welcome whooping over, the boys are led straight to the men's hut, where Chief Kamala is waiting.
He was pretty blunt about it. And he was like, if you guys don't do this, then you won't be welcome in our tribe.
Not entirely comfortable about taking my cake bake. But, you know, if that's what it takes for us to be welcome, then that's what we got to do, really.
The face paint is all preparation for a special Wowja welcome. It's called the Parrot dance. Only a couple of hundred Wowja remain. But, less than an hour after our athletes touch down, it looks like the tribe has 6 new members.